press the bell icon for all the updates.
Today, there's also a lot of chatter about the obsession with star kids. We see the whole paparazzi culture up on the rise. We have, of course, celebrities who put out the pictures of their sons or daughters. You have really shied away from it. Is it
Shied away.
Yeah, I mean, is it a very conscious thought that you don't want pictures of your kids to be out, daughter to be out?
No, I think it's a decision taken together by my husband and me. I think my husband, being a very private person, I think his point of view towards the thing is that he wants Adira to have a very normal upbringing and seeing the circumstances around us, because we are parents who are slightly known in that sense. There will always be a sense of intrigue as to what our child is, how our child is, who our child is. So they will get a kind of extra attention that probably they don't really deserve, because when you go to school and when you take your children to school, you are hoping that your child is going to be treated equally like the other kids. You don't want the extra privileges or extra importance to be given to your child, because you want your child to grow up to be a normal person. But if you have that added attention to your life, if my daughter feels that, oh, I'm slightly different than the others, something could stem up with that. So what we're trying to give our daughter is, probably if she's on the beach with her friends, she goes completely unnoticed. If she's wanting to go to the movie theater or she's wanting to go to the park, she goes unnoticed without anybody over there looking at her and saying that, oh, she is so-and-so's daughter. So we are trying our level best if we can achieve that. Of course, it is difficult because we do have the culture where our fans and our well-wishers want to see how my child looks, what is she wearing, is she healthy, is she not healthy, does she have curly hair, does she have straight hair, does she have my eyes, does she does not have my eyes. So yes, these are questions which are going to be repetitively asked, and there will be an intrigue somewhere. But as parents, I think it's our duty to do what we think is best for our child. So this is what we think is best for our child, and we are hoping that it's going to remain like that. And to give credit to all the paparazzi and the photographers, and they all are here today, I want to thank them personally, because from the time Adira is born, I've been traveling with her everywhere, but whenever I'm at the airport, I always request them, and they've actually been very sweet, and they don't take Adira's pictures. So I want to thank each one of them, all the press photographers who are there, and I personally request them, like, baby ka photo mat lo, and they're like, हाँ didi, hum nahi lenge, and they always land up taking my picture, and they spare Adira. So I'm very happy with that, and I really respect the photographers for listening to me and not overstepping there. So I would have to thank them for that.